Hello viewers, welcome to Hajjady class. Today I want to simplify 25% to the power of 25%. So before doing this, there's a need for me to let you know what is really 25%. In mathematics, if you are told that we have x percent, it's the same thing as saying x over 100. So this shows that you're expressing this in percentage. So the same thing is going to be done to this. Here we have 25%. We need to know that 25% is going to take the same form, which is going to be 25 over 100. So dividing 25 over 100 to the lowest term, this is the same thing as saying 1 over 4. Okay, so there's a need for us to plug in the value of this, which is 1 over 4, into the given question. So doing that, I'm going to have 1 over 4 to the power of 1 over 4. Okay, now don't forget the rule of indices that says that when you have a over b to the power of n, is the same thing as a to the power of m over b to the power of n. So using the same rule, so this is going to give me 1 to the power of 1 over 4 over 4 to the power of 1 over 4. 1 to the power of n value is still going to give you 1. So 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 2. 1 over 4. So your 2 multiplying 1 over 4 is the same thing as you have 1 over 2 to the power of 2 here 1, 2 here 2 to the power of half. And here, a to the power of half is the same thing as the root of a. So 2 to the power of half is the same thing as 1 over root 2. And in mathematics, we don't leave our answer in short form like this, whereby you have your sword as the denominator. So there's a need for us to rationalize. So by rationalizing, then you multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the denominator. What do I mean? Here we're having root 2 as the denominator, so you multiply by root 2 by root 2, which still gives 1. So 1 multiplied by root 2 gives root 2. Root 2 multiplied by root 2 gives 2. That's the rule of indices. And I think this is where we're going to stop. So thank you very much for watching my video.